In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order directly from a factory in China using 1688. We'll walk through the process from finding real manufacturers to paying safely so you can source with confidence even if you're new to the platform. First, open the 1688 app or website. Search your product keyword in Chinese for the best results. A quick translator can help you generate the right term. Then tap the filters and choose factory, and, if available, 实力商家, which means powerful merchant. These filters help remove most resellers and highlight true producers. Next, open a supplier's profile and review it carefully. Look for strong factory indicators, such as the character Han in the company name or the words Shengchan Han Jia, real factory photos, multiple production machines, a history of at least 3 years, and the Shenduyan Han inspection badge. Be cautious if you see only a few products, no factory photos, or pages that list trading terms but no production details. Before you commit, verify legitimacy. Check the business license info, years active, transaction volume, buyer reviews with photos, and the response rate. Remember, true factories often have higher minimum order quantities, but the unit cost is usually lower. Now contact the supplier through the 1688 chat, also known as Ali Wang Wang. Send concise questions to confirm they are a manufacturer and to get key terms. 这是港汉吗? MOQ 是多少? 可以定制吗? 样品价格多少? 生产时间多久? In English, you're asking if they're a factory, the minimum order, whether customization is possible, the sample price, and the production time. A real factory will answer clearly and professionally. Always request a sample first. Ask for the sample cost, the shipping time for the sample, and the exact materials and specifications. It's normal to pay for samples separately, and this small step can prevent costly mistakes later. Before paying, lock in the details. Confirm the final unit price, the MOQ, packaging, production lead time, and shipping to your warehouse. Ask 可以在1688下单吗? Which means, can I place the order directly on 1688? When you're ready, place the order inside 1688. Click Buy, choose your quantity and options, enter your China forwarder address, review the order, and keep all communication on the platform. Never pay outside 1688. Pay via Alipay, using your balance, a linked card, or compatible international cards. Your payment is held in